YouTube, how you doing, Earthlings? Hope I find you all well. Right, I can't quite believe it because this is just part 3 of my spider bot mecha build. Just obviously been doing lots to it without bothering filming what I'm doing. But anyway, without further ado, this is what I've got so far. So, quite a little bit different since you probably last saw it. What have I done? Well, I think the first thing that I've done was, well, I stuck this thing on the back because a lot of these bots seem to have these, I don't know, cylinders on the back for weapons or storage or ammo or whatever, I don't know. But then I've got tons of these components off circuit boards, and I take off the rubber, the plastic coating around the outside of it, and I think they make wonderful greeblies, nerdles, widgets for sci-fi things. And then I thought these legs looked a little bit thin and spindly, so I've thickened up these legs quite a bit. I don't know if I've shown you that before. Just added some more parts on. These... Hold on a sec, my Rosie wants to get off. I did ask you earlier on, Rosie, if you want to get off. Come on, let's go. There we are. She likes to sit on my computer desk in front of me on my computer. Yeah, I've got these armour bits that I've cut out from the bottom of a bottle of soft drink, I think, or water or something. So these bits are going to fit on here to protect that bit of the leg, somewhere round about like that. And I don't quite know what I'm going to do with those ones at the back. Maybe they're all just going to sit like that and just sort of but yeah, I've got those bits there. Yeah, then I added this gun underneath here, made of a bit of a pen. I don't know what that's from, but there's another bit of a pen nib in there, and then these are the parts from inside Crayola twistable crayon things. You pull them apart and you get this tray sort of thing that holds the bit of the crayon in there. And I thought they looked quite nice as some kind of sort of rail gun assembly type thing. Then I went on and made the eyes. I had this idea of doing these sort of moving, sort of weirdy, sort of off the end of tentacle kind of eyes. The round bits in the middle, they're off the top of a coffee pot lid from the restaurant that I dislike intensely, that I shall not name. You probably recognise it, people that drink that coffee. And then I've got some large sequiny, diamondy things, don't know what they're called, with some more of the glass ones stuck in the middle of it. I thought they looked quite nice as eyes. And then I thought, well, it needs more guns, so I've been making weapons. This one is a bit of the tip of a pen, and then this bit there is a loud hailer for a Playmobil toy figure, and a bead, and then this lovely bit here. I've only got one of them, strangely, weirdly, but it's such a nice piece. I thought it fitted perfectly with the bead in there to sort of have a bit of armour and have a bit more of a support for the bead, whatever. And then I've got this gun here. This one's going to go possibly on the side here of another bead and another. It's a bit more of a sort of another weirdy type gun. Very much alien-y, sort of attacking planet Earth type vibe of this one. Sort of kill all humans type alien thing. And I've got this. I don't know where I got this from. Stretchy, twirly cable thing. I was thinking of maybe getting that stuck in the end there somewhere. as a sort of a power supply for the gun, maybe, you know, up to the back of the body of the robot. I thought that might be quite good. Anyway, yeah, one of my many builds that's in the process of being built. I've got like, well, I'm starting to finish these ones off. These Star Wars inspired ones. You can see there. And I've got loads more down here. You can see that I want to test out new paint schemes and painting ideas I've been looking at. I've been learning off the interweb. And then I've got probably, well, I've got this one here. It's a work in progress. He's a sort of a power lifter, sort of a worker bot. I want to do some working suspension for that, so I've got some springs and some, I don't quite know how I'm going to do that yet. It's going to be a bit of working out. It's got to have lots of hinges and things to be able to work properly. It's going to stop it falling over. It's got a bit of a loose ball joint problem. You really don't want a loose ball joint problem. Yeah, and then I've got, see, I pick up bits, and I think that will go well with that bit, and I put them in a pot, and I'm thinking, yeah, I'll make that robot one day. And so I've probably got about 20 on the go at the moment. There's loads that need painting, and possibly adding more bits to. I find that they sort of evolve over time as you sort of find a bit, and you think, oh, that'd be good on that robot, and add that to it. Because these ones are kind of just, well, there's a little bit that's come off of that one that needs a bit of repairing, but I haven't got any super glue at the moment, so fortunately I'm going to have to start painting a lot of them. Yeah, so I've been doing a few of my paint effects. I'm going to do another video for that. I'm not going to go into that one. Yeah, this video is about Spiderbot. Spiderbot, what do you think so far? I hope you like it so far. When I've done all the videos and I've painted it and got my thumbnail pictures, then I'll be posting the videos up, so it might seem like there's a long time in between them. Then I'll get heavy as well after you've put in loads of stuff on. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me move you over towards me. I don't have to keep on doing that then. Yeah, battery's about to die, so good timing there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a little like if you liked it. And I hope you enjoyed the playlist. And thank you very much for watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and goodbye. And be careful out there.